For 250 years, Americans have been crafting the pursuit of a more perfect union. Bedford County has been harvesting, quilting, and curating an authentic culture woven into the fabric of the American dream, stitch by stitch, row by row, brushstroke by brushstroke. Home of the Tennessee Walking Horse and Pencil City, the culture is built on a foundation of craftsmanship and a sense of community that truly embodies the unalienable rights of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Time does slow down here, but not the pursuit. The pursuit continues at a relentless pace measured by the intentionality of the people, their attitude, and our bond to this land. A land carved by the Duck River, the land of artisans and crafters, the land of the American farmer, where farm to table is a way of life. 250 years of the greatest human experiment and beyond. Here, the pursuit continues.